driver of the wind.
Cruising slow on a sunlit street, leather seats where the cool.
Hey, before the video started, I just wanted to start a different way. My friend was recording. I don't know if you guys know of her, O'Connor 31. She said something on her video, and it was really hilarious.
Go ahead and give the car a quick wipe down. It's McGuffey's.
She looked at it, and she had so much confidence that it said what she read. And I said, okay, this is hilarious. But what I was thinking we should do is make it a commercial.
Hey, this video being brought to you by McGuffey's.
Bro, your car's so dirty.
Boy, we have McGuffey's.
What's McGuffey's?
Watch this. Voila. See this scooter?
Yeah.
It's powered by McGuffey's.
No way.
Yeah, watch this.
McGuffey's, the spark in your day.
McGuffey's.
Come over to this guy's house and see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think you're, what's up? Hey.
What's up, man? What's up?
What's up?
Ready to shoot work on this real quick?
Yeah, let's work on this.
Yeah, because you said, like, we got everything done. I had her even trim up everything from the last, I hope you saw the last video.
No, yeah.
Did you watch the last video?
Let's talk a little bit.
Okay.
15-minute breaks,
Okay.
45-minute lunches.
Huh?
Okay, yeah. No, okay. It's just where we're starting.
Okay.
First stepping stone. This is your machine over here?
Yeah.
This is your machine?
Yeah. You said welder. I said I had a welder. I was trying to show it to you that day you came over, and you said it was like, it works. I tried to do a little welding at first, but I got a little, I don't know. It didn't look right, so I had to stop.
Yeah. Yeah, we might need to adjust.
What you mean?
We might need to adjust.
What that mean?
I'm gonna be honest with you. I need at least like a 4 foot by 4 foot space.
Uh-huh.
The temperature is nice in here. It's nice. It's gonna work.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna work, but I don't know, man. I don't know. You got tunes? You got tunes in here? You can play music in here? Yeah.
I can ask my wife to borrow radio.
Alright. Well, I mean, I think we can get something done. This is, you did this? This is...
Yeah, we trimmed it up and everything, got it all ready, I thought you said you watched the last video.
I did. I watched it.
We trimmed it and got everything ready for you, so it'd be easier for you to weld. And I had to test the welder out to see if it was working and everything.
I watched a little bit of it.
Okay.
Looks good though. Looks good. I mean, everything should fit mocked up pretty nice. Looks like we're burning some holes through there though. That's the thing we're worried about.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's why I told you I wanted to stop and just get the real welder, which is you, to come weld it for real.
We're gonna get it done.
And I said I had a welder, and you said it should work.
Looks like I'll have to grab a unit and bring it over and make it happen.
Okay. Cool. I thought we was working today. Okay, so let me just ask my wife about the radio. What the fuck is this dude going? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Something in the car.
Okay, cool. All right. Oh, you got the tool? Oh, you getting your tools. Wait. What?
Can you believe this guy? Called me over, wants me to weld. It's got a little machine, no problem there. But the conditions, I'm union. Doesn't he know? The local.
I have a dilemma, folks. All right, so my dilemma is I can't do any of this because my welder's not working. Well, the welder's too strong or whatever, and I don't want to put holes in my thing. So I don't know if you watch the other videos, you'll see that. Go ahead, walk, go, do your thing. I don't want to be in your way. You got things to do, like to live, all that. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna have to do something else this week. So the plan is to get some of this rust off of here and over here, sand this whole, whatever you call this down. I think it's core support. Clean this whole core support up. Try to get some paint on it, make it look halfway decent. Trimming that away so I can put the cover on here. I don't know if I'm gonna get that in this video. I'm gonna try, but if not, I'll just try to add that to the series of what I'm doing to try to get the rust right there. But this week I know I'm definitely getting the trim off of here, getting the trims off of this right here for this video. That's what I'll be doing. We're getting this trim off, getting that trim off. Like I said, paint. Oh, my bad, my hand. Getting this, cleaning it up a lot. Removing the door handle and the lock there. Start sanding a little bit. Fixing the little imperfections on my fenders. So I'm gonna have to move them around. You see, I even moved the thing because my boy Keith hasn't showed up in a while. I don't know. I gotta call him or something because he hasn't showed up. So it's like kind of in limbo waiting for him. But then I don't want to save that because I still got to get to my car. But it's just like I told you last video. The money stuff I got to work on that. And other than that, I could just do those things and try to find other little tasks that I can get done to try to get it to where once I got the door handle, the door hinges, I got the money to buy the door hinges, I can fix that, have that already ready because that's buying a welder. That's why I'm not really in a rush for that video or to do this. So anyway, I'll punch back in when I start doing the other stuff. All right, thank you.
What do you got going over here, Ken?
I'm trying to get this clip. I'm trying not to break it as I'm going. Slide. Oh, it's going to be a little bit of a bee word.
Looks like he's getting the chrome off. We're gonna kind of shore up some of these edges. It sounds like.
Yeah, I gotta clean that up because I got filler and all that other kind of stuff on it, so it's gonna be a little piece of work. We see that. What's the name again? That let me see if I can get it up.
There's two of them.
See if I can get it up a little higher. Just a little higher. Loosen it up a little. There we go. Oh, another one of the clips I heard. Do the same thing over there. Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, just get it in and then try to tilt it up. Man, so I need as much of the trim off. Get all the dirt and crud in the seams. Check for clips. This clip, they can come back in. They just gotta get the area around it, gotta get clean.
This should just slide, no?
It should.
One way? Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. That's what's weird.
One clip fighting it. It's just one clip.
It's probably on right here.
You got it?
No, I think it was.
Does it want to fight?
Yeah, no, it wants to fight. There you go. What's that?
Let me tell you something. Being out of shape, I teach you some life lessons, boy. I tell you, this 45 feel like a million right now. Oh, I feel like 1,000,000 pounds. Oh my God. So I gotta grab that one. This other one. So my neighbors that's really dope. I think that was cool. You know what I'm saying? I asked them. Cause I was like, they was gonna throw it out in the alley. I'm like, wait a minute, I need that in my life. All I need now, just buy me a barbell and a bar, like a heavy bar, the 45 with the other bar, and then I can start my get the blubber off journey. This week is not going to be as I guess complicated of a video because what I'm gonna do is my special guest, he's right there. What you got going? What you got going, young Sammy?
Rolling the hose.
All right, all
I'm
right.
done working.
All right.
Putting away the things that I was able to use, so that way it's nice and pretty for the next person that wants to use it.
Quick question.
I was told when I was
I
younger,
have 2 questions.
put it back the way it was found, or even better. So that's what I try and do.
I got a quick question.
Absolutely. What's your question?
Oh, well, it's two questions. It's a two-part question thingy. All right, so do you think you're confident enough to upload your videos and all that stuff now?
Yeah.
Was my crash course
With your
difficult and annoying at the same time?
with your expertise, yes. I would like to learn how to one day, you know,
Yeah, because you could do it.
edit the videos the way you edit them, because
No, it's
you
nah.
do them amazing, and one day I'm gonna get as good as you. I don't.
Uh,
That's not CapCut right now.
I think it's
I
a
don't like
headache. It's a headache in a way. So I would just say just try to get as raw as you can, but just get as much footage as you can and kind of tell a story, I guess.
For sure.
And don't because I just do it this way because I did the little film school thing, and then I still overthinking it. Sometimes I try to give too much and not give enough. Like it is always trying to find a balance. But anyway, just keep making them. You're gonna have fun. But anyway, can you let the people know your channel so I can?
It's at Okana31. OKANA 31.
Okay, now y'all can check that. Y'all can do. It's easier than looking for a name because then you'll stress out. And then once you find her, you're gonna like her. She's doing really cool stuff. We shot a couple shorts and a long form. Hey, y'all, look at this. Look at this. Now y'all know I'm building my tool, fortress and all that stuff. Now look at this. Where you gonna get love like this? Okay, you see this, right? Craftsman. It's all Craftsman. All the tools is Craftsman, right? Guess who brought it to me? My boy Eddie. Yep, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You don't know if y'all seen the video, I think y'all saw it. I'll put a link in the description if you need to see it. He sold me these for he gave them to me. Because the price that he gave them to me, I wouldn't have bought the tires. I wouldn't have been able to buy the tires. So anyway, he hooked me up with those, and then he just hooked me up with that. What y'all think? I should do his body work, right? I mean, it just implies that I need to do your body work.
But I'm not forcing you.
I'm not. No. Why would you force me to do something I like doing? I don't like doing metal work. You seen in all the videos. I don't do no.
Yeah.
I don't like the def machine. I don't like the def machine, and the welder scares me because it got electricity. And if you touch that rod while you're going electrical, and it got like 5 things and pictures even on the box that show a dead person. So I was like, no, I'm cool. It's a skeleton, so I'm not playing with. I really don't want to play with it because I do not want to be to the upper room trying to weld a car. You know what I'm saying? And I don't have that little shield. So when I was doing a little, and I was filming it, and it filmed my shoulder instead of what I was doing. So it was just all bad. Anyway, and I need to go here first. Look, y'all. Hold on, turn it. Oh, Jesus, this is showing too much of me. Okay. Anyway, so he said it looked like everybody else doing work on your car than you. And I said, because I'm the cameraman. Cameraman can't film himself and cameraman at the same time. But kind of he right, though. But I didn't like the way you said it, though. I feel this because I thought that I was working. I really thought I was working hard, my boy. But it wasn't showing on camera.
Mm-hmm.
See, look, see, y'all hear the doubt in his voice? He said, mm-hmm. That means bullshit. Mm-hmm mean bullshit. No, seriously, look, I really was working. Okay, I did all the body work all the way down the side. If I could wet the car right now without slinging a bunch of dust and making mud on the ground, I can show you how straight I got the car. It wasn't no help. In those videos, I have nobody but me. Other than I think my nephew came over one time and helped me a little bit. Other than that, I was doing all of the body work myself. And then when the dude came, the car was worse than it was now. I think it look okay now. Not because all the surprises messed up everything. To be honest with you, all the surprises came, and then that's what changed the whole Yeah, because I thought this was gonna be done. I thought it would be done right now. I thought I probably would have. By now, it should have been color sand. It should be color sand, the buff, and wait the month for everything cure and the paint and whatever. Because I was ready to paint. But then they kept telling me that the doors didn't look straight. And the hood wasn't, the front end wasn't all the way straight. And, the lines of the doors wasn't right. So I was like, man. Yeah. So I was like, okay. So then he said, just change the little pins. I was just change these. And straighten the doors. But then when I took the fenders off, voila, 2 big old holes on the driver and passenger side. So then, then another box of BS happened, and I had to buy all those patch panels and sheet metal, and then I tried to save money. That little patch that I made, that I had, that she made, I'd have paid, because it's the whole pillar. The whole A pillar would have to come off. So I'd have to buy 2 A pillars. That would have been $800 a piece. Well, them in. I was like, do I want to do that, or do I want to buy some sheet metal and have somebody help me build that? You know, so then I did that, and then, you know, so yeah. And I was like, I hate doing metal work. I'm not gonna lie, I hate doing metal work. Like, if I pay anybody to do that, please do that. Like, please help me or do it for me or whatever. I don't like this. Because the stuff you got to use, a welder, and you got to use that little killer devil saw. I'm cool, bro. I'm cool. Yeah. Once I get this done, I want to hurry up and get this finished though. So I got to get the door hinges, and I got to get the finish that, and then finish this, and then putting this car back together and unpaint it because I want to do another car. Because it's taking too long. I don't like this. I'm not. And when it comes to your car, it's up to you. Do you want to go crazy and take it down to this and be stressed out by finding surprises, or do you just want to get it looking good?
Get it looking good. I don't want any surprises.
Yeah, I don't want to, like, if I could have avoided this, if Lefty and Keith wouldn't have saw that the doors was crooked, I was overlooking. I kept telling myself, you don't see it. You don't see it. Ain't nothing wrong. I saw it. It was bothering me, but I tried to put it in the back of my mind. Mm-hmm. And they just kept on reminding me, like, bro, look, what's wrong with your doors? I'm like, oh, why the hood gotta, if you don't see it, we don't see it. Yeah. You know what I mean? And if they're cool, I'm like, the car gonna be gray. Nobody gonna really notice it. And it's like, I see it. I'm like, and I saw surprises. It took longer than I wanted it to. And then, because I just been wanting to burn rubber, because all I needed was to finish the suspension, paint it, finish the suspension, put a 3000 style in the 3000 style, you know, for the torque converter, whatever, the 3000 stall, then do the rear end, and then I was going to be burning rubber. That's all I wanted. And then I wanted to replace that carburetor intake situation with a supercharger. Either put the supercharger there or get the see if I can get a pro charger. And then that's all I wanted. Because I wanted this to be a machine that I just burn out in. Like, I'll go down your street, because I can't bump down your street like in this, but I could have gotten, you know what I'm saying, with the supercharger and all that. I could be like, Eddie, what you doing? Nothing. Hey, come outside. And then you come outside in front of your front. I'm like, come out the front. Like, look down the street. Which way? To the left. And I just all the way down your street, like one of them Australian cars. And that's what I was going to do. But then